How to adjust the size of a bar chart in Tableau. Let's take a look. There are a couple ways to adjust the size of a bar chart in Tableau. I'm going to go through two of them. The first way, if you're on a standard view, so make sure you're not on fit width, fit height, or fit entire view. You're just on standard. I can hover my mouse in between any category, so in between west and east on the region header, and I can slide this bar over to make west bigger. So west and east and north and south are all going to be wider. You can also do the same thing on the state dimension. I hover between two states and slide them over a bit. Each bar got a lot bigger, and now I have a scroll bar. So that's one way to increase the size of the bars. If I bring this back to entire view, I'm going to show one more example of the size of the bars. If I click on size, I have the ability to increase and decrease the size of the bars. So if I bring this all the way down to the bottom, I get a really, really thin bar. If I bring it all the way to the top, I get a really thick bar. Hope this helps.